Hello there, future stargazers! Welcome to the Astroathens YouTube channel, your window to the wonders of the universe. I'm Athena, your guide on this cosmic journey. We're going to explore topics that can ignite your curiosity and deepen your understanding of the cosmos. My focus is not only on the awe-inspiring space phenomena, but also about how these astronomical events can be explored in the classroom. Teachers, this channel is for you too. Get ready for educational content that can truly take your lessons out of this world. From captivating celestial events to mind-expanding concepts, we'll cover a variety of different topics in bite-sized videos, making complex ideas accessible for everyone. So whether you're a student looking to expand your knowledge in astronomy, or you're an educator looking for innovative teacher resources, you've come to the right place. Join the Astroathens community. Hit that subscribe button and we'll embark on an astronomical adventure together.